We have been trying out these two lounge chairs that we got off of Amazon. This blue one is the ABORON brand and the pink one is a flip chair. And both of them are lounge chairs that you can lay on your stomach with them, and both of them fold up small and have a carrying strap. So some pros and cons between these two. This blue one, the ABORON one, is slightly wider. You can tell from this angle. And in general, to sum it up, I would say the ABORON one is more sturdy and wider and a little bit more comfy to use, but less portable. The flip chair one is smaller, but then also quite a bit lighter to carry around, and when it folds up, it's really easy to carry. So this ABORON one is like sturdy enough that you could even use it as like a camping cot. And it's got kind of some fun add-ons, like it's got this little storage bag, and it's got a little pillow for your head up here. And this flip chair one folds up really small. These legs then fold up too. And then it's got a carrying strap. And then this one also folds up and has a carrying strap, but is heavier and just kind of bulkier. So if you're trying to pick out one that you would like take with you to the beach or something, I would recommend this flip chair one. But if you want one that's mostly just going to stay in one place, then this ABORON one is really nice. This ABORON one also has 3 legs here on the bottom, and the flip chair one just has 2 legs. And so that adds quite a bit of stability here as well. I myself am about 230 pounds and 5'11", and I like sitting on this ABORON one better. With the flip chair one, I feel like I have to be pretty careful when I'm getting on and off so it doesn't like tip over. Once I'm on it, then it's comfy, but getting on and off feels a little bit treacherous. So anyway, I hope that this was helpful and you were able to pick out the best lounge chair for you.